My hand is shaking.
Why?
I don't know. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe, today we have something very special for you. So today we're gonna be leaving the kitchen. Babe, we're gonna be leaving the kitchen. It's Babe's birthday month. I have a big day planned for us. But the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the kitchen, we're gonna drive 1 hour into Los Angeles, and we're gonna go visit a restaurant called Dirt Dog. Dirt Dog. Yeah, Dirt Dog, Los Angeles.
I'm so excited.
Okay, quick backstory. Originally, street dogs, or they used to be called danger dogs, I think, they originated by little street vendors in the Tijuana, Mexico area, I believe. In Los Angeles, after you leave a sporting event or after you leave a concert or anything like that late at night, they have little street vendors that will cook up bacon-wrapped hot dogs with hot mayo and peppers and onions and all kinds of different things like that. And they have like little portable grills or shopping carts. It's pretty interesting, but they're so delicious. It's so delicious. And when I started dating Babe, I took her to all kinds of fun little events down in Los Angeles, and then Babe got hooked.
On street dogs.
On street dogs. So there's a new restaurant in Los Angeles called Dirt Dog, and this restaurant specializes in cooking all kinds of different street dogs and the elote corn and all kinds of different stuff like that. So we're gonna do a restaurant review. We're super excited. We both have never been there before. So we're super excited. We're gonna go check this out because this is kicking off Babe's birthday weekend because Babe loves street dogs, so I found this place.
Good job, Babe.
All right, so without further ado, let's get in the car and let's go.
Okay, I'm ready. So we're just in downtown LA, seeing all the nice stuff.
To live in down LA, California. What you say about Los Angeles? Still the only place for me that never rains. To live in down LA, where every day we try to fatten our pockets. Us niggas hustle for the cash, so it's hard to knock it. Everybody got their.
So happy. I can't wait to eat my elote dog.
We ordered so much extra food to show everybody.
Yeah. We seriously have
$41 worth of food.
French fries and
we're not gonna
hot
finish
dogs and French fries.
Yeah. But it's gonna be epic.
It's gonna be so good.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's tasty.
Ooh. Oh.
Yummy.
That was good.
Good. It's my elote dog. It has corn and chili lime and bacon and my stomach already hurts. On a buttered lobster roll. And it's a bacon wrapped hot dog.
Bacon-wrapped hot dog with spicy sauce, a fried egg on a lobster roll with tortilla strips.
How is it? Fantastic.
It's so good.
These cheesy, filthy fries are the best, I thought.
Yeah.
And I thought that hot dog was really yummy.
Yeah.
And that bowl of corn was really good.
Yeah.
This is a genius restaurant. It's so smart. I feel sick. These street dogs are way bigger than the street dogs on outside of, where do we go? Staples Center? Yeah. That was intense. That was a little rough. My stomach does not thank me.
But it was so good.
But my heart does.
Yeah, dude.
I love it.
stop number one on your birthday adventure. That's our review of Dirt Dog. It was fantastic.
It's fantastic. My stomach is killing me. And now you said we're going to the pool, so that's gonna be sexy.
Yeah, babe.
It was really good though. We loved it.
Yeah.
Everything I was hoping for and more.
Yeah.
Good.
So if you're into Los Angeles street food, this is the spot. What are we on, Figueroa?
Yeah.
Dirt Dog. Isn't that right, puppy? Isn't that right? First of all, the food review is over. Click off the video. Click off the video. Maybe they want to stay for behind the scenes action. Because it's Babe's birthday, so I surprised her with getting a hotel for tonight.
I'm so excited.
So we've never stayed here before, but
No, it's really nice here. We came here one time.
our room isn't ready yet, and Babe doesn't even know about the special room that I got her.
What's a special room?
Oh, I'm gonna show you.
I can't wait.
But look at this view, hold on. We're on the 70th floor, downtown Los Angeles at the Intercontinental.
Babe, this thing is humongous.
Huge mungus?
Yeah.
It's huge mungus?
Babe, this is, oh my gosh. It's so nice. Babe, this is so nice. Wow, babe. Nice, thank you. Oh,
It's a corner suite, babe.
babe,
And this is where the magic happens, folks.
so nice. Oh my god. Oh. This is awesome. I feel like I can take my shoes off in here. It's not like South Carolina.
And the bed bugs.
Yeah. It's so nice. Okay, you're freaking me out.
All right, babe.
Thank you, babe.
Are you ready for your big roll
Thank
now?
you. Oh, babe, this is really nice. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Babe said I'm not allowed to vlog, so I have to put the camera away. I got in trouble.
You didn't get in trouble.
So, hi babe. So our video review of Dirt Dog turned into a little mini vlog, but we didn't get all of the fun that you had last night. Did you have a good night, babe?
I had a great night, babe. It was awesome. It was so much fun.
Yeah. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. So if you want to leave the 73rd floor, you have to walk down 73 flights of stairs. Hi, babe. You're doing a great job, babe. Oh, goodness. I asked the security guard if we were going to die, and she said no. So that's good. Oh, my goodness. It's crazy. We're in an emergency situation. So thank you for watching our video in the car.